Hey guys, welcome to the final lesson of chapter 1. This video will be slightly advanced. Today we'll learn what the method R strip, L strip, and split are and how to use them. Let's get started. So split is a little more easier, so let's start with that. So supposing I have a text R of a nickel, and then I want to split that. So I'll then do split. Okay, then and split actually delete something in the text, whatever you write in that, in the input, and then it will put a divider in between that. Okay, so let me put a comma. Oh no, I mean an 8. So it'll basically remove 8 and replace it with a divider. Now let's see what comes. Now in Python, a divider is actually a comma, and just like forget about these brackets. Those are actually square brackets. Those are used for lists, but we'll get there later. And now let's move on with our strip. Now let's move on with the strips. So a strip basically removes like the last element. So wait, let me just write down and then I'll show you. Aarav is 8. Okay, this is my text. And then dot, I'll do R strip. Okay, so R strip means on the right's over here, and the last element, and then it will remove that. So R strip, and then do 8. Okay, so now we'll do 8. Now I think so it should remove the 8. Yeah, and then it removed the 8. Now similar is something called L strip. Now so I'll delete the 8 and then replace it with R like this. And then it will come is 8. Okay, and that's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next chapter.